You might be missing messages on Facebook and not even know it. That's because Facebook filters messages from people you're not friends with and puts them in a hidden folder. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find those hidden messages using the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. First, let's open the Messenger app on your iPhone or Android. Next, tap the menu icon in the bottom right of the screen. On some phones, this might be in the top left corner. Now tap Message Requests. This is where Facebook stores messages from people you're not connected to. Here you'll see two tabs, You May Know and Spam. You May Know is for messages from people Facebook thinks you might recognize, and Spam is where suspicious or unwanted messages go. And that's it. Now you know how to find hidden Facebook messages in Messenger. Be sure to check this folder from time to time. You never know what you'll find. Please like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.